Welcome. If you're using Telegram Web on your PC and want to find out the phone number linked to your account after the new update, you're in the right place. It's a quick and simple process that anyone can follow. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Telegram web page. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on that icon to open the main menu. Next, in the menu, you will see your name displayed near the top. Click on your name to open your profile settings. This section contains all your personal information and account details. Now, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Phone. Here, you will see the phone number associated with your Telegram account on the web. This is the number you use to register or verify your Telegram account. And that's it. By following these simple steps, opening Telegram Web, clicking the menu icon, selecting your name, and scrolling down to the phone section, you can easily check your Telegram number on your PC. Knowing your Telegram number is useful for account verification, sharing your contact with friends, or simply confirming which number is linked to your account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Telegram Web with this handy tip.